never slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we will be replacing this part over here. So this is the upper dashboard panel. So I've received it, it's in this case. So we'll also be replacing these side panels, this upper side panel, both sides. They're cracked, so we'll just replace those two. Same part, it's a stock part. I think it's gonna fit. And yeah, it looks same size. So this is going to be in the description if you want the same. Check the link out in the description. So we'll just make sure it's, you know, it's wrapped with a carbon fiber wrap before we install it. So to install it, we actually need to take off these panels. You're going to start over here, take this one off, take, you know, both sides off, take the upper one off, these two, and then finally that's how you can be able to access this part over here. And this is the carbon fiber wrap that we'll be using. So we'll wrap this and also the side panels. So this is what we'll start with, and then we can do the side panels later and eventually we'll install them. So we'll be using a heat gun, and we'll also be using this is whatever, it's a small knife or something.
The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I made it innocent, I feel a discontent. I'm not replacing it all. Quit.
So now we have the other panels in. We'll do the panels next. So we'll start with one of them just to see how it comes out or how it turns out. Just turn on the heat gun.
Taking over me, I want your body, sweeter than ecstasy. I'll make you want me, I'll take you to your knees. So touch my body, sweeter than ecstasy.
So they're ready now, ready for installation. Now we just need to insert these clips inside here. It's an easy installation. You just put everything down. Do this one here, and then just insert the clips. So you have that clip over there, and you have this one over here, and just push them in, and then you have these ones too. Make sure they line up, and you have this one over here. Everything straight. To the next, let's push it in. It's gonna go in line perfectly, so it fits perfectly. So once that is in, next thing will be the side panels. Same way. There you go, just push it in. You just need some small force. We are done. New panels in, so easy replacement, doesn't take you much. So yeah, nice, it looks nice. This works. So we're good. So yeah, so if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do check the other videos. It's too hot outside, so yeah, check the other videos, like them, share them, leave a comment, and watch the ones you haven't watched. And everything for this specific video will be in the link will be linked in the description, so check them out. And any questions, just leave them in the comment section, and I'll make sure to answer them. I always do answer all of them. So yeah, subscribe to the channel and see you on the next one. Ciao.